In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block clients on Acuity with our comprehensive 2025 guide. This simple yet essential process is crucial for maintaining your workflow and ensuring that your scheduling system stays organized and efficient. Perhaps you've had a client who repeatedly fails to show up or has become more trouble than they're worth. Whatever the reason, learning how to block a client can help reduce stress and keep your business running smoothly. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through each step of the process. First, you want to start by navigating to the Acuity scheduling page. This is the foundation of the process, and it enables you to manage all aspects of your client interactions and scheduling needs seamlessly. Once you've reached the Acuity homepage, you'll see a range of options organized to help you manage and customize your scheduling settings. Next, you're going to click on the Clients button. It's generally located on the dashboard and is your gateway to viewing and managing all client-related information. By clicking this, you'll access a list of all your clients currently registered in the system. It's important to be familiar with this dashboard as it's a vital tool for any scheduling adjustments you might need to make in the future. After clicking on the Clients tab, you will now see a list of all your clients. From here, you are going to select the desired client that you wish to block. This step is crucial. Ensure that you're selecting the correct client by checking any markers or identifiers such as their appointment history or personal details. Accidental selections might cause unnecessary confusion, so it's always good to double check. Once you've confirmed which client you need to block, the next step is to look for an option labeled Ban. Clicking on Ban is essentially the action that leads to blocking a client, and this will start the process of restricting them from booking any further appointments. This function is not only straightforward, but very efficient for managing any potential scheduling conflicts. Finally, after clicking on Ban, you'll be prompted to confirm your action by clicking on Ban Client. This confirmation step ensures that you've reviewed your decision and are sure of blocking this client. Once confirmed, the client is effectively blocked from making any further bookings with you.
This final step is important as it serves as a double check, providing you with a chance to review your actions before they are finalized. And there you have it. Blocking a client on Acuity scheduling is an intuitive and essential process for managing your business more effectively. Remember that each step is designed to streamline your scheduling needs while maintaining control over your client interactions. I hope this guide helps you make better use of Acuity's capabilities. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.